I am so pumped. Oh my gosh, we just had an amazing episode. This was all about aging well, right? And we had the Villages OKC with Concordia Life Plan Community. There was over 100 guests here. We had 2 people coming up on stage learning how to cook. They learned how to use microplane zesters, juice, and pull garlic out. But it was all about the trio vegetables. Just because you're cooking for 1 or 2, let's make it awesome. There's no reason that you can't pull your china out and serve it, make it look beautiful, have all the colors on there, and you can start with that trio vegetable. We showed how to make really cool smoothies. We made a blueberry ginger shooter with orange juice and banana. Also talked about the preservation of food. Like, what do you do with fresh herbs, right, that you have? Well, how do you store the remaining food that you might have that you don't want to waste? So we talked about that. We talked about blanching. This whole event was about helping seniors at home that maybe are living by themselves and cook for their loved one or just themselves, getting them comfortable with these ingredients that are in the freezer, in the refrigerator, and jazzing up a little bit about what they do. And this was a really fun event. I was so happy that it was filmed. There was a live audience. It was like sold out. For me, it's all about this. It's about Romans 12:2, which is do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you'll be able to test and approve what God's perfect, pleasing will is for your life. And for me, I know that this is my purpose. I know God has me here to help seniors all across the country, to share how easy it is to cook, to make it fun, to make it approachable, to make it exciting, to make it inspiring, but do it also with God's love all through it. And that's what it's all about. And so I love that I'm able to do it on this platform. I'm super excited. Thank you for coming and watching.